Because of the rainfall in Paris, the streets were flooded. According to EdNews, with reference to local media, pouring rain at noon paralyzed life in Paris. The French Meteorological Service announced an orange warning about the risk of storm and heavy rains in the southwestern region. In the southeastern region, strong wind and rain with hail are expected. The French authorities evacuated more than 1,500 inhabitants from the capital. The water level in the Seine rose to 6 m and continues to grow every hour by 2 centimeters. In Paris, entire quarters are flooded due to heavy precipitation. More than 1,000 houses are left without light. Generators are brought to the victims. For the visit, they closed the Eiffel Tower, Louvre and Notre Dame de Pari Cathedral. Many stations of the Parisian subway do not accept passengers. The flood has become very large scale. The decline in the elements is expected at the end of the week.